Hey everyone! Imagine turning your app idea into a fully functional prototype in just minutes. No coding, no waiting on designers, just pure creation. Well, that's exactly what Krisspy does. Krisspy is an AI-powered platform that helps you design, iterate, and launch stunning user-centric interfaces effortlessly. Whether you're a freelancer, product manager, or a small business, Krisspy gives you everything you need to build with confidence. We all know how frustrating it is to align specs, visuals, and teams before even testing a prototype. But with Krisspy, AI takes care of that for you. Simply describe your vision, and in minutes, Krisspy generates high-fidelity wireframes and sitemaps ready for iteration. AI-generated prototypes. Skip weeks of design work. AI instantly transforms your ideas into functional app designs. Real-time editing. Modify any design element, add features, and collect stakeholder feedback seamlessly. Figma integration. Bring in your existing assets and even export full React code for developers. Built-in documentation. Keep everything synced with automatically generated user stories, sitemaps, and requirements. With Krisspy, you're not just designing, you're building a product flow that's ready to launch. The AI refines your vision, challenges your specs, and ensures everything is aligned before development even begins. So why spend weeks on expensive design work? Start creating with conviction and let AI do the heavy lifting. Get lifetime access to Krisspy today. Hit the like button if this sounds like a game changer and subscribe for more awesome tools that supercharge your workflow. See you in the next video.